Hi guys, welcome to vlog. Ano nangyari? Uy! Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? What just happened? What the hell?
Alright, so yeah. So
Welcome to my
everybody,
vlog.
please
Welcome
remain
to my
served.
vlog.
Okay, so yeah, again, please bring all your valuable things.
Uy!
Right, and let's go, boss
Baba,
number
baba, baba.
5.
Wait, papa, no, kill if you have vlog. Ayun siya sa kilib.
Ba't kwento?
Malamang! Mabibigat tayo. Tignan mo nga sila iniiwan, oh.
Oh, Doritos.
Doritos? What the heck? Baba na nga, ni. Oo. Parang natatakot ako sa basa.
Oh,
Okay lang po. What? Nakabidyo! Like, what the heck is this? Jose Rizal! Jose Rizal! Grabe ka to eh. Siyempre, nagbibidyo ako. Hello. Jose Rizal! Ah! Ako din, iiyak ako. Kuya? Ano po yun daw din yun?
ito yung Rizal Call, Rizal
Pa-
Call yun. So,
Ah!
alright, so yeah, boss number 5.
Madami mong ano.
Hi, Chloe! Bus number 5 tayo ah.
Oo, alam ko.
Hala. Woohoo! Ay po! May
Puti kuya, kuya.
May putik! Woo! Darn na.
So yeah, stop na. Okay. Okay,
Kuya!
so boss number 5.
Naihi na ako.
Okay, so before I give you time to take pictures, okay, so box number 5, okay, so that is considered as the tallest monument of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. So the total height of that monument, including the stairs, is 43 feet.
What?
So the total height. Okay, so the monument is 22 feet. Okay, so because the 22 languages of Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay, and okay, so it was started, or the creation of this monument, okay, so December 2010, and it was completed April 2011.
Ah.
So the opening date, okay, so is June 19. Yeah, so 2011, so under by our president. Okay, so Benigno Simeon Aquino III. Yes, okay, so siya po ang nag-umpisa Okay, so parang open to. And also, okay, so there Jose Rizal Coliseum. Okay, so kung may mga events sa nagaganapin po dito, especially like mga basketballs, okay, so mga concerts, okay, so or mga kaganapan sa Laguna, so dito yan sa dyan po nila ginaganap, na? Okay, so now I'll give you time to take picture. Okay, so sa may monument po. And please, okay, so careful watch your steps. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that's it.
Saan po yung CR? CR. Kuya, I need to CR.
Okay. There's a comfort room there. Wait, let's check the other restroom.
Apo. Kaya, CR na tayo.
Saan daw? Ayun.
Ayun, CR! Mas number 5. Guys! Guys! Lang guys ha.